We're trying to solve for x, but the problem is we can't solve for it unless we find the measure of one of these two side lengths. We can start by using our given values and then working up from there. We are given that this side length, CD, is 10 centimeters, and the angle of C is 115 degrees. We want to find side length C, which we can then use to find side length D, which will help us determine x. To do that, we're going to use the sine law. 10 centimeters over sine of the angle B is equal to side length C over sine 115. The only thing we're missing to solve for side length C is the angle of B. To solve for it, let's take a look at the other given angles in this diagram. For triangle BDE, we are given that two of the angles are 65 degrees and 55 degrees. And if the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, subtracting 65 and 55 degrees should give us angle B, which is 60 degrees. And also, seeing as ABC is a straight line, and the sum of the angles on a straight line is also 180 degrees, we can subtract this 90 degrees, indicated by the pink square, and we can also subtract the 60 degrees that we found earlier for the third angle in triangle BDE. This means that angle B is 30 degrees, and we can now plug it into our equation. To isolate for C, let's first multiply both sides by sine 115 degrees to get C alone equal to 10 centimeters times sine 115 divided by sine 30. This makes the measure of C about 18.1 centimeters. Now, like we just did, we can again use sine law to solve for side length D. And so 18.1 centimeters, which is side length E in this triangle, over the sine of angle E, which is 65 degrees, is equal to side length D over sine of 55 degrees. To isolate for D, we're going to multiply both sides by sine 55, and 18.1 centimeters times sine 55 divided by sine 65 makes D equal to about 16.4 centimeters. Now for triangle ABE, we can just use SOH. As relative to angle A, or 70 degrees, we have the opposite side length, which is 16.4 centimeters, and we're trying to solve for the hypotenuse, which is x. So then using the sine ratio, this makes our equation sine 70 equals 16.4 centimeters over x. We can multiply both sides by x, giving us sine 70 times x equals 16.4 centimeters. And now finally, to isolate for x, we can divide both sides by sine 70, making x equal to about 17.4 centimeters. If you've made it this far into the video, chances are you're learning a lot and enjoy the content. So if you don't mind, consider subscribing, as it shows me that you like what you see, which helps me post more videos. Anyways, that's all for now. I hope you have a wonderful day.